Today our topic is chemical bond. A chemical bond is a force of attraction between atoms that hold them together in a substance. Chemical bonds are formed in three ways: by donating valence shell electrons to other atoms, by gaining electron from the valence shell of other atoms, or by mutual sharing of valence shell electron between the atoms. Here there are two types of chemical bond: ionic bond and covalent bond. First, we detail ionic bond, a chemical bond formed by a complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atom is called a chemical bond. Second one is covalent bond. A covalent chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between bonded atoms is called covalent bond. Covalent bond are of three types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. A covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of one electron pair between bonded atom is called single covalent bond. Here is the example of hydrogen. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its outermost shell. Two hydrogen atoms combine through a single covalent bond in which each atom equally contributes one electron in a mutually shared electron pair. So H single bond, H. Double covalent bond. A covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of two electrons pair between bonded atoms is called double covalent bond. Here is the example of oxygen. Oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Two oxygen atoms combine through double covalent bond in which each atom equally contributes 2 electrons, forming two mutually shared electron pairs. So O, double bond, O. Next है 3 triple bond. Covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of 3 electrons pair between bonded atom is called triple covalent bond. Here is the example of nitrogen. Nitrogen has 5 electrons in outermost shell. 2 nitrogen atoms combine through a triple covalent bond in which each atom equally contributes 3 electrons, forming mutually sharing electrons pairs. Thank you.